We present RibbonSculpt, a system to interactively design surfaces from sparse ribbons drawn in VR. Drawing in VR is notoriously difficult, especially for novice users. As a result, our input ribbons are generally noisy. At the same time, we want the system to produce the intended surface, even from a very sparse set of ribbons. This combination of noise and sparsity poses the first major challenge for our method. The second major challenge lies in interactivity. It's important that users can observe their designs as they develop, stroke by stroke. This real-time feedback is essential in the early stages of ideation. We begin by computing a proxy volume from Voronoi balls. This starts with a Delaunay triangulation of the input points. Then, using a simple criterion based on the ribbon normals, we filter the balls to fill the space between the ribbons. Even though this proxy volume is central to our method, it's never actually shown to the user. The proxy shape resembles a rough sculpture of the final design, with bumps and protrusions between the input ribbons. To produce the shape that the user sees, we first extract a mesh from the proxy using the marching cubes algorithm, and then remesh it to improve its regularity. Next, we deform the mesh by minimizing two terms, a Laplacian smoothness term and a squared distance to the input ribbons. The Laplacian ensures smoothness, while the distance term acts as a soft interpolation constraint. The system runs in real time, dynamically generating and updating the surface as the user adds or removes ribbons. Surface construction begins as soon as the first two ribbons are drawn, and updates happen interactively after each edit, all the way through the design session. Up next, we'll show ribbon sculpting sessions for 4 example models. Actual runtimes are provided in the paper. Our system supports surfaces with arbitrary topology. You can change the topology simply by drawing a few strokes. In this example, the final design forms a genus 3 surface. We've successfully used our system to quickly design multiple surfaces that showcase a range of features, from flat shapes like the dolphin's tail to spiky forms such as the elephant's tusks shown in the previous example. RibbonSculpt easily creates diverse shapes with few strokes thanks to interactive visual feedback that guides users to place ribbons only where needed. Our system robustly handles very sparse, shaky, and disordered input strokes.